how you can set iframes in HTML. Iframes are just used in inserting HTML document in another HTML document. For instance, if you need to insert a certain content from other source, you can just use iframes. So iframes are used in inserting contents from other sources in an HTML document. So we use this tag, iframe tag, to insert iframes in an HTML document. Therefore, let's look at an example here. You can say iframe 0c to insert the URL. You'll have the URL there in quotes URL, then you'll close, then here is where you insert your link. Let's have an example here. You may have iframe, then in there you write rs, then to single quotes you can write, let's say, this is now the URL of my website www.atlanticphilo.com. So see now, let's see how it appears. Now you refresh your site. See now, just inserted an iframe here, an iframe here. Now this is my site. You can just use it to read. You'll see JavaScript code, CSS code, HTML code, PHP code, Python, your C++, MySQL. You can see our project and all those. This is a overview of the whole website. Now, after that, you can either insert the width of the, you can either determine the width of the iframe. You can say either width equals to, you can set it to 100. You can say also height, you can set it to 100. So that's how you can insert the width. Also, you can use the style type. You can just use the style type. So this is the same. So after that, we'll look at how you can insert or how you can remove borders around the iframe. By default, the iframe have borders, as we have seen. iframe have borders. So let's refresh our side. So we have set it to 100. So you can see now, by default the iframe has borders. These are the borders. So you can remove borders by saying, let's try this to remove borders. You can just come here, then you say we just copy it So you can just come here, then you say, you can say style, then you can say border, then you say none. You just go to your browser, then you refresh. You see now, this one has borders, this one does not have borders, this one has borders, this one does not have borders. That's how you can set iframes in your HTML document. So hope you understand now how you can try it. You can insert the height, you can insert the width, you can set the borders, you can remove the borders in iframes. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe if you are new in this channel for the more awesome tutorials in future.